For me, every adventure begins the same way. It starts with a decision. But I realized something. The idea was never about getting somewhere. It's about learning to slow down. To notice the things most people walk right past. The light breaking through the trees, the movement in the leaves. Things that are always there. Some people come to places like this to slow down, to unplug, to sit by the pool with a good book, to enjoy the quiet. And honestly, I completely understand why, because I've been there too. We all find peace in different ways. For me though, peace has always looked a little different. It's found somewhere along a trail with a camera in my backpack, walking for 8 or 9 hours without realizing how much time has passed. That's what keeps me inspired. That's what clears my mind. That's what reminds me why I fell in love with exploring in the first place. And the moments we usually try to avoid become the ones we remember the most. The rain, the unexpected detours, not because they made the journey harder, but because they made it real. That's a reminder in itself of how alive this world is. In a world that's always asking us to move faster, nature asks us to do the opposite. To be patient, to stay quiet, to keep walking, because the best moments usually don't happen when you're looking for them. And maybe this is why I keep coming back.